Hello guys! Ngayon po ay nakauwi na tayo dito sa Vancouver, Canada. Kaya may oras na po tayo para mag-voice over sa mga ating videos. Ito nga pala ang Louvre, Museo de Louvre, located sa Paris, France. One of the most famous and most visited museums in the world. Grabe talaga. The moment I got there, I was speechless. Ang ganda ng lugar. Classic meets modern. Yung glass pyramid sa gitna sobrang iconic. Parang nasa pelikula ka talaga. Pero alam niyo ba, una pa lang napansin ko na agad ang haba ng line kung saan nakikita niyo kanina. As in sobrang daming tao. Thousands of tourists from all around the world. Iba't ibang language maririnig mo. Pero lahat excited pumasok at makita kung anong meron sa loob ng Louvre. Ayan, nakapasok na tayo. Daming tao. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung vibe. The art, the culture, the history, lahat nandun. Every hallway, every painting, every sculpture, may kwento. Nakaka-overwhelm. Pero in a good way, parang gusto mong huminto at namnamin lahat ng makikita mo. Ayan, lahat ng mga yan, ang mga paintings sa wall from ancient paintings, sobrang magaganda sila. Every corner ang daming tao. Pero alam nyo ba guys, kung saan pinaka-jump pack ang mga tao? As we go along inside, makikita nyo kung saan ang daming tao, ang hallway kung saan nakadisplay si Mona Lisa, ang painting ni Mona Lisa. Sobrang daming tao, halos dikit-dikit na. Lahat gusto lang makasilip, kahit ilang segundo lang. I was honestly wondering, bakit kaya ganito or ganun karaming tao ang gustong makita si Mona Lisa? And then nung finally, nakita ko siya in person. Wow! Ang liit pala niya compared sa ina-expect mo. Pero yung presence niya iba. May something mysterious sa painting. Parang tinititigan ka kahit saan ka tumayo. It's not just a painting, it's a feeling. It's a kind of art that makes you pause, makes you reflect, and makes you realize why millions of people come here every year just to see her. Yun talaga, parang yun ang pinaka-highlight niya, si Mona Lisa. So, as I walk through the halls of the Louvre, I realized something. Travel isn't just about ticking places of your list. It's about experiencing them. It's about those little moments that stay with you long after you left. And yeah, ayun. So ayan tayo, naglalakad. Tinitignan yung mga paintings, pinipicturean kung ano ang nagustuhan. Lahat naman maganda. If you are paintings or art lovers, try to visit this museum, Museum de Louvre in Paris, France. Sobrang daming tao. Every corner, every hallway, napakadaming tao sa iba't ibang lugar nang galing. We are all tourists in this na pumasok dito. Ayan, wala pa tayo kay Mona Lisa. Titingnan. Papakita ko sa iyo. Ito yung mga sculptures, mga paintings. Mostly ang makikita dito is ancient paintings, sculptures, kung ano yung mga pangalan na nababanggit noon sa history. Ancient civilization, kung maarala ko, kung saan ko natutunan ng, if I'm not mistaken. Ancient civilization. So, ayun na. Nakapasok na tayo doon sa kwarto ni Mona Lisa. Ayun na siya. Ayun yung painting na napakaliit. Pero ang dami talagang tao pinipicturan, binibidyohan. Gustong lumapit sa harapan niya, pero tayo nandun sa likod. At siksikan, kaya ayaw kong makipagsiksikan din doon. Kaya ina-zoom ko na lang. Sobrang tao. Akala ko buhay ang tinitignan. Pero yun pala, painting din. At ayun. And that's what the Louvre is for me. A place that reminds me how powerful art can be, how it connects people from every corner of the world, and how beauty, history, and passion can all live in one place. So this is the outside of the Louvre taken inside, but that I take a video from the outside. So yeah, that's my Louvre experience. Unforgettable, inspiring, and totally worth the wait. Next time you're in Paris, make sure to see it yourself. Promise, it's a moment you'll never forget.